Assalamu alaikum, dear class fellows. My name is Ali Raza. My roll number is 923 and my topic name is internal method of quality assessment. हम इसके MCQs के बारे में बात करेंगे। सबसे पहले MCQs है इसका, which of the following is not included in failure cost. फेलियर कोर्स में कौन सा यूज़ नहीं होता? इसमें है नन रीवर्क, रिपेयर, फेलियर मोड एनालिसिस या नन ऑफ दिस। इसका आंसर है नन ऑफ दिस। विच रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर द फाउंडेशन फ्रॉम विच क्वालिटी इज़ मेजर? हार्डवेयर, सॉफ्टवेयर, प्रोग्रामर, नन ऑफ दिस। इसका है सॉफ्टवेयर। डिग्री टू विच डिज़ाइन specification are followed in manufacturing the product is called quality of conformance. अगला MCQ है, which of the following is not include in external failure course. external failure course में कौन सा यूज़ नहीं होता? टेस्टिंग है, टेस्टिंग। अगला MCQ हमारे पास है, which of the following is not an appraisal course in SQA. क्वालिटी प्लानिंग होता है इसका। which whose identifies documents and verify that correction have been made to the software SQA group. Software quality assurance consists of the auditing and reporting functions of management. इसका है true. What does QA and QC stand for? It is stand for quality assurance and quality control. What is QA? Any systematic process used to ensure quality in the process. Which of the following option is correct regarding QA and QC? QC is an integral part of QA. Which of the following option involve material and component control, quality control? Arrange the step of QA in ascending order is consumer need, design development, material control, process control, finishing product. अगला MCQ हमारे पास है, what is the first step of QA? Indication of consumer need. Which of the following is an example of QA? Verification. Which of the following option is not correct regarding QA and QC? कौन सा ऑप्शन QA QC के लिए करेक्ट नहीं है? इसका आंसर है प्रोसेस capabilities should be monitored on intermittent basis. Where the nodal point for national measurement system is located in New Delhi, which is definitely as a set of development and quality assurance effect performed to achieve common goal based on the release timeline cycles. High cost, low volume in term require intensive inspection. You can filter quality center data to display only those records that meet the criteria that you defined. How many filter can you define? Multiple item as filter. 5 items as filter. The dash can change and override a user properties or password. A site administrator, which is the first step of QA, indication of consumer need. LCL for the R chart is given by 3D R. In phase 1 application of X and R chart, the control limits obtained from the equation are treated as trial limits. Process standard deviation is given by R over D2. Tolerance diagram is also called tire chart. Limits are limit driven by natural variability of the process. The natural variability of the process is measured by process standard deviation. Select which option is not true about SQA. Evolution to be evolution to be performed. Which of the following is not included in the prevention cost, equipment, calibration, and maintenance? Basic difference between MRP, and MRP double two is finance. Which of the following option involve material and component control, quality control? Which of the following option is correct regarding Q and QC process capability should be monitored on intermittent process? Process control is carried out during production. Selection the option which is not appraisal in SQA. Quality planning. Select the people who identify the document and validate the correctness of the software. SQA term. Select what is the primary objective of formal technical reviews to find during the process, so after the release of the software they don't become the defect error. Select what is the primary objective of formal technical review during the process, so that the release of software they do not become the defeat error. What is the first step in control process? Set standard. What is the weakest form of control? Post control. Where was total quality management first developed? Japan. Which of the following are key components of a total quality management system? Involve everyone, continual improvement, use of data and knowledge. First step in using control chart for quality assurance is determine both the lower warning limit of property control chart. It is calculated from LWL equal to CL plus 25. शुक्रिया, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।